Well, the rain's back. It started dumping last night and it's sprinkling today a little bit. Just a light mist coming down. I'm about halfway done with the painting. Starting to think I should maybe not just primer, but go ahead and buy some interior paint just to seal things up even better. Or maybe the primer's good enough, I don't know. I know primer's supposed to be porous, so I don't know how well that will keep moisture out of the wood once the rain really starts coming back. I think we still have some sunshine and warm days ahead. Just hit a couple days of nasty weather. I am not ready for it. But yeah, halfway done with the painting. I can't wait to be all the way done. Still a little dirty. Need to clean up a bit better. I'm probably one of the messiest painters I know. Got some big support lately. Let's go ahead and give a couple shout outs here. Huge support for the channel. Adam M, thank you so much for your continued support of the channel. Adam M says, here's some money for food. Keep up the great work. Thank you. I do need some food. I really appreciate that. And Christopher P with another very generous donation to the channel. Christopher P says, hello Nathan, sounds like money's tight, happy to contribute to the channel. Chris P from Backwoods Bungalow. Thank you Chris P so very, very much for your very generous support of the channel and the project. We are so close. I can't wait to get this done. Get everything primered. I'll get some paint in there maybe. I feel like I should try and seal things up a little better with paint rather than just primer. But maybe it's okay, I don't know. Primer or paint, then I could start building that lower floor, or the upper floor I mean. Maybe build just one section or two on one side so I can get the shower made and the plumbing put up underneath. And then, I need one side open so I can bring the tanks in, get those situated, mounted, plumbed in. But first, after painting, I'm going to put some window seals in. That is, got a few rolls of this stuff. Rubber window seal, 10-year guarantee. Premium EPDM rubber tape. Maximum resistance to wear and tear, highly water resistant. So that's what I need. I'm using this instead of like putty tape. So the windows are removable. There's probably some point in the near future I'm going to go to an RV junkyard and replace a window or two. I also like the idea of just being able to take them out if I needed to do something. I'm not really sure what, other than just replace them. Or if I can find some of the edge seal that's supposed to go in these windows, I will do that too, because you see I'm just using like a wad of toilet paper to try and seal that up. I'm missing the rubber strip that goes here. So I'm thinking at some point in the future I'll either find that or just replace the whole thing, which I wouldn't mind doing, but we'll see. Either way, I like the idea of making it so these are easily removable, or so the seal is reusable, so I can take the window out and put it back in. I will use putty tape on the vents, since those will not be won't be very likely that those are ever removed unless they get damaged, but I'll just use putty tape for that. I already got a bunch of it. Should have plenty to do all three vents. Also up next is some of this rubber edge seal for the doors. I tried using some cheap stuff from the hardware store and it was not the right stuff. It absorbed water like a sponge and it was really brittle. It wasn't very durable. I was not impressed with it. So I got some of this stuff, which is 3/4 inch, I believe, 40 feet. Got 2 packs of this, so 80 feet total. And I do believe this is also EPDM rubber. So that'll go around all the doors and we'll get them some proper seals around those doors. So I'll finish primering, maybe paint. Gonna seal up the windows with some seals. We'll do the door seals with this stuff. Maybe even install the vents. Might be a good time to go ahead and do that as well. So that's what's coming up in the next rebuild video. After that next rebuild video, the paint and the seals, maybe the vents, then I'll move on to making those fenders for around the front wheels. I'd like to try well, I probably can go ahead and get this piece of square tube I need to make this skirt. And then I'll have a place to mount some clearance light or some marker lights down there. Thank you guys so much for the support. I think I will go ahead and use that money to go ahead and get that piece. Also need a sheet of 16 gauge to panel that up. So fenders, side skirts, flatbed in the back. Side skirts will also include that brace or that pillar that I need to mount the front cap. And this should be looking pretty good. I'm looking forward to the next few projects on patches. So yes, lots coming up. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you so much supporters. Thank you viewers, people who like and subscribe. We have a new hype function now. Be sure to check that out below if you can see that. I think it's only available on mobile. It's a pretty new feature, so it might not show up for everybody yet, but that helps out the channel too if you guys want to hype the video. Thank you very much. Supporters, super thankers. We had some super thanks in the last live stream. I look forward to doing the next live stream. I've just been, you know, it's hard to engage with chat when I'm trying to paint. I'm trying to keep up the speed of the next few things, so I'm not sure when the next live stream will be, but thank you guys so much for super thanking during the live streams. It makes it, it's nice to know some of you really appreciate the live streams. I like doing them, so stay tuned. We'll do another live stream at some point. I'm just trying to speed things up a little bit because of the rain is back, at least for yesterday and today. Let's check the weather, shall we? Yeah, tomorrow 76 degrees, cloudy. Monday, Tuesday, rain. Yeah, that sucks. I do not like seeing rain in the forecast. But then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and maybe Monday will all be dry. So yeah, when the rain gets here, I'll definitely do some more live streams. I'll have more time for it. I just want to speed things up. Stress is increasing seeing the rain, and with everything left I have to do that I want to get done while it's warm and dry out, like painting the undercarriage. I really want to try and get that done as well. Even though it's drizzling, today's a day I could weld, so I'll still put that off for a little while. When the nice weather comes back, it's gonna be painting, seals, spraying the undercarriage, finish the painting inside, and then we'll try and stay busy during the winter when we got breaks in the rain and when it's just kind of coming down light like it is now. Just a very fine mist coming down, so it's something I can work around with welding. So I think I got a good plan, of action. Oh dang it, my truck windows are down. I'll go close those up. So anyway, again, thank you everybody so much for watching and supporting the channel. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.